Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to Financify YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can hide the coordinates of a price range in Tradingview app on your PC. So make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that you have already downloaded the Tradingview app on your PC, and now right after that, once you open it, and make sure you are already logged in as well, and now right after that you will be able to see the interface of the Tradingview app on in the screen. So now we can see there is a chart of this BTC USDT in here, and if you want to hide the coordinates of price range, then we can see there are lots of tools at the left side of this chart. So you need to simply select this option. So once you go on it, you can see forecasting and measurement tools. So let me click on this one and let me create first price range in here. So okay, so you can see I had created the price range in here, and now if you want to hide it, then you simply need to click on this line, and you'll be able to see here is a option to customize your price range. So you can see there is a 3 dot at the right side, so just click on this one, and finally you can see there is a hide option at the last. So you need to select this, and you'll be able to hide the coordinates of the price range in Tradingview app successfully, because the process is going to be same. So and if you want to unhide it, then what you can see is there is an icon in here. So you can see object tree and data window. So once you click on this icon, you can simply need to click on this hide icon, and you'll be able to unhide it again. So basically this is how you can hide the coordinates of price range in here on Tradingview app. And if you still encounter any issue during this process, you can put in a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this very helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on, so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.